Hi guys, after completing one of our toughest day hikes yet to reach the Mount Murchison summit, we arrive in Queenstown. Unfortunately, the town greeted us with thick clouds and continuous rain, leading us to stay here only for one night. The next day we drove directly to the Iron Blow lookout, which offers fantastic views over the former open cut mine and the Linda Valley. So here we are at the Iron Blow lookout. We just arrived in the little town of Queenstown. So this is the first mine site on the Mount IL. So there's a beautiful lookout here overlooking the mine. They've been extracting copper here. Let's just have a quick look. It's very windy, so we're not going to be here for a long time. Looks like the weather's not very forgiving today. We're just gonna wait until it clears up, and then we wanna also have a look at the Horsetail Falls. We were just driving past it. It's a beautiful waterfall with a quick walk on a wooden plank, but we're not sure. As you can see, the weather is really rough right now. It started to rain. The visibility is not the best, but we managed to capture a couple of shots for you. I was really lucky. If the weather continues like this, that might be our final stop at Queenstown. Wow, it's so windy now. Runaway to Horsetail Falls. This is quick 1 hour walk return along the boardwalk. The weather is really rough, so we're gonna make it really quick. It's supposed to be some thunderstorm at 2 p.m. Alright, so this is a great 2 walk. Nice and easy. Let's go.
Nice and sunny day.
Beautiful sunny day. Every day in Tassie we get our ass kicked, even on an easy boardwalk. There are some mountain biking trails around the mountain there. God, that's the weather. Woo. So we managed to escape the downpour. It's pissing down really bad. And that concludes our very brief visit to the Queenstown. I wish we had a little bit more time here. It was just a quick half day in the rain. So we're gonna be driving towards the Mount Field National Park now. We probably stop at the Nelson's Falls for a quick walk and to stretch our legs. Lake St. Clair, we're not sure if we're gonna stop there. That was also on our itinerary, but we're not sure. But we're driving towards the Mount Field National Park right now. So if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed this quick video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.